So in this particular problem, there's a ladder that goes to the top of a slide, and it's 6 feet long. And it's perpendicular to the ground. So I can see the ladder right here, it's perpendicular to the ground, but they didn't mark it. So I'm going to actually put a perpendicular right angle box inside the triangle so that it forms a part with the ground. Then it says, if the slide makes a 30-degree angle with the ground, what is the approximate length of the slide? So what they're asking me about is this part of the slide right here, and if I kind of fill this in, I can see, okay, well, there's the part that they want. What part of this triangle do I know? I know this part over here, so I need to label these two green squiggly lines. So grabbing this and labeling everything, I see that this is the hypotenuse, and looking across, I see that this is the opposite side of the triangle, and that lets me know that, oh, this right here is going to be an opposite over hypotenuse setup. So taking a look at that, I'm not going to say which of the trig ratios is opposite over hypotenuse, but I will say that it's being used with a 30-degree angle. When I go to my calculator and I type in the name of that ratio and I use a 30-degree angle, I get 1 over 2. So that tells me that this ratio is 1 over 2, or 0.5, is equal to the opposite side, which is 6, over the hypotenuse, which is what I'm trying to solve for. So taking a look at what would happen here, I can now say, if I put my decimal over 1 and cross multiply, that I get 0.5 times x is equal to 6. So now, taking a look here, I need a little bit more writing room. I can say that to solve for this, I'm going to divide on both sides. So dividing on both sides, and what I need to divide by is the 0.5, 0.5 on this side. And when you type this into your calculator, you should be able to get the correct answer.